Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle Dittman here, Bullion RV, Duluth, Minnesota. And today I have the pleasure of showing you another 2024, brand new to the lot from Winnebago, the 2100BH. So, a couple new changes. So we're gonna kind of go around the outside like we always do, and then we'll get you inside. Give me a call. So again, right up front, Winnebago does a great job with their fiberglass front cap. I really love that. Kind of wrapping over from the 23 models, but you can kind of see the new graphics. Those are pretty cool. I like those. Under that, you got a really nice rock guard on here. 20-pound LP tanks that we fill for you here at Bullion RV. They have the power tongue jack on these units. We're going to be putting in a battery with a battery box. That's included in the deal. Cool thing with Winnebago is kind of want to point out, a lot of people don't really kind of show this or know. Not only are they huck bolted, but down here in the frame, in this front section, they drive this through this main point. Most companies are just going to be welding it right here, but Winnebago is actually driving it through and then connects on the side frame here. Gives you that extra stability for when you're bumping and grinding down the road. I mean, they give you these big, mean Goodyear tires to kind of get off-road, so they know that you're going to take it down there, so they give you the capabilities to do that. Slam latch baggage doors, nice thick heavy doors held up by magnets. You are prepped for a solar panel on the side, also prepped for side cameras if those are options that you guys wanted to add on. We do sell those here in our parts department, so always check that out. Again, really nice pass-through storage. On the other side you got your solar controller and your battery disconnect. One slide on this unit with the Schwintex. Wrap you around. One of the features I love about this bunkhouse is you have this extra door here. So what you can do with that, this bunk does fold up. This will attach on the inside and it gives you a ton of extra space in here. So just think about bringing the kids' bikes, or if you got e-bikes, maybe a bunch of extra coolers, toteings, whatever you want, a lot of extra storage that goes inside. So really cool option there. To give you extra space. So really like that. All your water hookups, power hookups, everything like that right on the back corner here. Winnebago's throwing you a ladder, fully walkable roof, so they want you to get up there, they want you to check your seals, make sure everything is good to go, nothing's drying out, water's your worst enemy, so being able to get up there with the ladder on board is great. Also in the back, I like how it's in the back of the camper, so you have a hot and cold shower back here. So spraying off, you know, if you're at the campground, there's a lot of dirt and sand and all that stuff. Wash it all off back here, create maybe a little mud puddle in the back where you're not really going to be using the camper. So cool spot for that. Full-size spare tire on the back as well. And then again, prep for a backup camera back here. So if you want to put one of those on. Another nice thing I like that Winnebago does is throw you these backup lights with the white lights. We all know when those things come on, something's backing up. Hopefully you'll have a nice neighbor over there. Maybe they'll jump over and help you back it up or see what's going on or move their kids or dog out of the way. So really cool feature there. Winnebago is also giving you power stabilizers. So no more cranking, no more drill, push button, drop those down. They do have overrides if anything were to happen, so, but just a push down stabilizer is awesome. While we're back here, we also have a gas port. So quick connect gas port to bring along your favorite flat top grill. I've been cooking pretty much every day on my Blackstone since I got it. The thing is where it's at. I recommend everybody get one. Bring those with the campground. Breakfast is probably the best thing to cook on them, so really like that feature there. Also out front, there's a lot more going on. So you got a black tank flush out here. You got your power out here. If you wanted to hook up a TV, you got that. Outdoor speakers. You got the awning that covers the whole space here with a really nice LED light under that. I like how it kind of has this faded look to it. So a lot of those all black ones kind of get really warm, or the all white ones, you start seeing a lot of dirt and grime. So the faded look here, I really like that. Kind of goes well with the camper, so that's cool. Dual axle. And then you have another spray port out front. This spray port's gonna be just kind of like a cold shower hose. Do a quick connect, the little blue slinky hose. Let's see. grab this. So this little blue slinky hose plugs into here. Hook up any nozzle you want on the front. So spray off the stairs, you can spray off the kids, spray off your gear. Really nice feature there. Let's head inside. Let's check it out. All right, so on the inside, what has Winnebago done? Not a whole lot. They kind of switched the colors in 23, so you can kind of see the new cabinetry colors kind of going on, kind of teal, greenish. So that's kind of like the kitchen, and then these lighter colors for the trim pieces and the cabinetry is kind of what they've done, and then some grays for the seats. So I really like that. They give you a TV, they give you the quick connect. So depending on what phone you have, what phone case, just drop that on there. Your phone starts charging. That's pretty great. Queen bed up front. So what's nice too is it's a little shorter bed. There's a little lip up here. I don't know if you want to kind of point that out, but nice spot to kind of maybe put your cell phone or your stuff like that. It's not going to fall down. You can also get at your pass-through storage from inside the unit, which is nice. Power and plugs are going to be in this back corner with a little catch-all net to kind of hold your stuff. Or if you're up here, you got power and USB that are up in this corner here, so you can put that stuff there. Nice curtain for some privacy. Hidden hinges on all the cabinetries. Really nice and wide open, be able to get all your gear in there. You don't gotta hold it up with one hand, put the gear in the other hand, so I like that. Pretty much everything on the inside are all going to be push puck lights, so you can really customize your lighting in here as well, which is going to be nice. JBL sound system with JBL speakers in the ceiling and outside. Again, with the booth dinettes, you got a lot of storage. I know that this has kind of been a thing, but they're sticking with it. Easy to just drop down the table, turn that into a bed. When you're done, you pop that up, flip this latch over, lock it in play. The table's solid, really simple. No more having to put those posts in, find them, kind of wiggling them around to get them in, put in play. Where are they? You know, banging your knees on them when you sit down. You do have to step up into here, so if you are a little taller, that is kind of one of the things that is a little difficult. It is a little shorter of a ceiling, but again, most of your time is going to be hopefully spent outside or on the campfire, on your favorite trails with all your friends. So this is just for kind of maybe getting a couple things done, or if it's gloomy during that day, but not too bad. Winnebago takes away the oven and gives you a really nice storage drawer instead. I like that. You got a nice 3-burner cooktop. Perfect. And a big 1-basin sink, pull down faucet. I want to say under here will probably be the covers for the sink, so you can turn this into one big countertop, which is really nice. Convection microwave, so you can still bake your cookies, put your pizza in there if you'd like. With the bunks, both bunks are going to have lights, both bunks are going to have power. This top bunk is about a 250-pound capacity, so you know, up to a smaller adult. Depends on the night. I might give it a shot. Who's ever sleeping under me, that's the risk they're willing to take if they do it. So, but that's really nice. Windows on both. Well, the windows on the top, just that door on the bottom. So, move back into the bathroom. So it's a little smaller. Kind of has everything you want, everything you need, but it is a little smaller bathroom. So you got your toilet, nice little shower or towel stand there. You got a fan. You got your head space in here. Get washed, and then this is your sink for in the bathroom. So it does give you a sink, so you could brush your teeth, wash your hands in there, so you don't have to use that sink out front, but it is a little smaller sink. But again, we're out camping, we're meant to get dirty, we're meant to get sweaty, we're meant to smell like campfires, so you know, really just pop in there and just kind of wash off the grime a little bit. So nice small unit here, available at Bullion RV. If you haven't already, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, help us grow our channel so we can get our videos out to as many people as we can. Again, my name is Kyle Dittman. I'm here to help you out in sales at Bullion RV. Reach out to me with any questions at 218-740-4964. Thanks. Have a great day.